In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay just 6.21% tax on your director's remuneration of £50,270 in the 2022-2023 tax year. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you know next time I upload a new video about all things business money. I am Annette Ferguson, Chartered Accountant and Certified Profit First Professional, and I run Annette Co, a UK-based accounting firm. The first step to getting money out your business in a tax-efficient way is, if you are not already, to ensure that your business is registered as an employer with HMRC and then register yourself as an employee of that business. I'll include a link in the description to where you need to go to set up your business as an employer with HMRC. This way, you can pay yourself via the payroll for some of the money that you wish to take home. In this video, I'm going to be speaking about the most tax-efficient way to pay yourself. However, there may be certain situations where there are other things that you want to take into consideration, and you may not necessarily want to be the most tax-efficient. You may be in a position where you wish to show a higher salary than I am going to suggest in this video. So do remember those other things that you might want to take into account other than just the tax efficiencies. The most efficient way to pay yourself as a director of a UK limited company is to split the money that you take home between salary and dividends. I'm going to explain to you how much of each you can take and how it will be taxed so that you know how to pay yourself the best. But to do that, first I need to explain a little bit about how the tax system works in relation to salary and dividends. First of all, there is the personal allowance. Now, for the 2022-2023 personal tax year, the personal allowance is £12,570. That is the amount that you can earn tax-free. There is no tax on that amount. There is also no national insurance to pay on that amount, since the national insurance threshold was recently changed in the Chancellor's Spring Statement of 2022. The basic rate tax limit for 22-23 is £37,700. With dividends, there is a £2,000 tax-free allowance, and the basic dividend tax rate is now 8.75% for the 22-23 tax year. So let's speak about the optimal salary for 22-23 tax year. And just as an aside, if you're not sure what that means, the 22-23 tax year runs from the 6th of April 2022 to the 5th of April 2023. And do make sure you hit that like button on this video. I'm going to talk you through this assuming you have no other sources of income. In this example, I'm also going to assume that you are over the age of 21 and under the state pension age, that you are a director of a UK limited company, and in this example that you are based in England. The rules in Scotland are slightly different when it comes to the tax bands. It doesn't change a vast amount and the fundamental principle still applies, but the effective tax rate will be ever so slightly different. Firstly, you'll want to take up to the personal allowance and national insurance threshold as salary through your business. That's £12,570 per annum. Typically, most people pay this monthly to themselves via the payroll. That means that you have to run payroll in your business in order to pay yourself that amount via salary, and you have to declare that every month through submissions of a form to HMRC. Then additional money that you want to take out your business over and above that, we would treat as a dividend. Now, there's a small caveat here that in order to pay a dividend from your business needs to be profitable. A dividend is deemed to be an appropriation of profit. That means that if the business is loss-making, you can't use this strategy to pay yourself. You'd need to look to a different strategy in order to pay yourself in a tax-efficient way. But if your business is profitable, this is the way to do it. So paying yourself that salary of £12,570 in the tax year, that will take care of your personal allowance, the amount that you can earn tax-free in a year. And next, we want to make use of our dividend allowance. The dividend allowance is £2,000 per year. So we're definitely going to be wanting to take that dividend of at least £2,000 to make use of that dividend allowance. But in actual fact, you can take a dividend of up to £37,700, and the tax you will pay on that is £3,123.75. That gives you a total income with your salary plus your dividend of £50,270 with tax of £3,123.75, giving a net after-tax take-home, therefore, of £47,146.25. That means that you have an equivalent tax rate of just 6.21%. You will have also ticked all the necessary boxes in terms of your national insurance requirements. It's also important to note here that if you've previously put money into your business by way of a director's loan and you have the ability to take that money back out, when you take your money back out that you've previously put in, so repaying the director's loan to yourself, that is completely outside the scope of tax and has zero tax consequences at all. So if you have that open to you, that can be another way to get additional funds out of your business without incurring any more tax. If you're struggling with any of the accounting stuff for your business, I would love to be able to support you. Drop me an email to yt@annetteco.co.uk and let me know how I can help. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.